Welcome to the fifth session of the Yoga Endurance Pack. Today we'll be adding Chaturanga Dandasana to all the vinyasas. So let's begin with the warm-up. And so now we'll begin with the warm-up. So come to the top of your mat, starting at Samasthitihi. Inhale, take your arms all the way up and over. Firm up the legs. And then exhaling, coming to fold. Keep a little bend in the knees and bring your chest in towards the thighs. Inhale halfway. And then coming to your plank. In plank, try to keep the neck long. Keep your gaze past the hands so the neck is not dropping in. Exhaling, knees, chin and chest. Keep the elbows close. Inhale, up dog. Keep opening the chest, lifting the heart. Exhale, coming all the way back, downward facing dog pose. Knees are bent. Use the hands to keep lifting your seat higher. And then stepping forward. Inhaling, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift all the way up. And then exhale, drop your hands by the side of the body. Starting at Samasthitihi. Inhale, take your arms all the way up and over. Firm up the legs. And then exhaling, coming to fold. Keep a little bend in the knees and bring your chest in towards the thighs. Inhale halfway. And then coming to your plank. In plank, try to keep the neck long. Keep your gaze past the hands so the neck is not dropping in. Exhaling, knees, chin and chest. Keep the elbows close. Inhale, up dog. Keep opening the chest, lifting the heart. Exhale, coming all the way back, downward facing dog pose. Knees are bent. Use the hands to keep lifting your seat higher. And then stepping forward. Inhaling, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift all the way up. And then exhale, drop your hands by the side of the body. We'll do that 2 more times. Inhale, lift. Exhaling, fold. Inhale, halfway. And then step to plank pose. Knees, chin and chest. Exhale. Inhale, up dog. You can keep your knees down. Exhale, coming all the way back, downward facing dog pose. Stepping forward. Bring yourself all the way. Halfway lift. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, open, coming all the way up. And then exhale, drop the hands by the side of the body. Once again. Inhale, up. Exhale, coming to fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Look forward. Step back, plank pose. Dropping your knees, chin and chest lower down. Inhale into your up dog, knees to the floor for the first few. Exhale back, downward facing dog pose. You can start to straighten the legs if you're feeling more comfortable now. Stepping forward, halfway lift, inhaling, exhale, fold. Inhale, lift and rise up all the way. And exhale, hands come down. Now let's continue with the first vinyasa. Inhaling, lift your arms all the way up and over. Firm up the legs. As you exhale, coming all the way down to fold. Inhale, come to a halfway lift, look forward. And then step to your plank position. Now we'll start to add the Chaturanga Dandasanas. So make sure your feet are strong here. The toes are engaged on the floor, even the little toe. As you exhale, create a 90-degree angle at your elbows. And then inhale, coming all the way up to your upward facing dog pose. As you exhale, coming all the way back, downward facing dog. Inhale and bring the right foot between your hands. Drop the left heel down and bring your arms up. Just for a second for warrior 1. And then as a variation, we'll start to lean forward. 5 breaths here, creating one nice line of energy from the left heel all the way to the fingertips of both your hands. Inhale and exhale, 1. Bend the right knee over the ankle, 2, 3. Keep drawing this right seat back, 4. And as you take your last breath, exhaling, bring the hands to the floor to frame the front foot. Come off the back heel, Walk that foot far back, drop the knee down, and once you feel ready, bring the arms all the way up for Anjaneya Asana. Inhale, exhale, 1. Hug everything to the midline of the body. Exhale, 2. Stretch your mat apart with both your feet, engaging the feet even in this position. 4. And exhaling, coming all the way back down to frame your front foot. Lift the left knee, coming into plank. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, lift up, upward facing dog. And exhale, coming all the way back, downward facing dog. Now on the left side, inhale, bring your left foot forward, drop the right heel down, and then bring the arms up as you inhale, and then we'll come as a variation to a halfway point. So from your right heel all the way up to your fingertips, one nice long line of energy. Inhale, exhale, 1. Exhale, 2. Keep bending this knee over the ankle, 3. Exhale, 4. And then exhaling, hands down to the floor. Come off the back heel, drop that knee down, walk it away from your front foot. Once you feel like you're steady in your position, bring the arms up, Anjaneya Asana on the left side. Lifting the sternum all the way up to the ceiling. Exhale, 2. Exhale, 3. Exhale, 4. And as you take your last breath, exhaling, come frame the front foot off the right knee, plank. Exhaling, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale to your upward facing dog, letting the heart lead the posture, and then exhaling back, downward facing dog pose. On your next breath, inhale, step forward, right foot and left foot. Inhale, come to a halfway point. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift and rise up. And exhale, hands by the side of the body. And with that, we finish the first vinyasa. Now on to the second one. Let's begin now with the second vinyasa. Inhaling, reach your arms up and over, firm up the legs, look up. Exhaling, coming all the way down, come to fold. Inhale, halfway lift, draw your heart forward, shoulders back. Step to your plank position. Exhaling, Chaturanga Dandasana, activate the core. Inhale up into upward facing dog pose. And exhaling back, downward facing dog. Looking forward, inhale, right foot and left foot, step to the top of your mat. Come sit into your chair, interlace the fingers and look up to your hands. Inhale, exhale, 1. Keep pressing the knees and ankles into one another, 2. Keep the breath, 3. Exhale, 4. And your last breath. Coming to fold, step the feet apart, bend the knees and grab a hold of the big toes. Inhale, look forward, draw the heart forward, tailbone back. Exhale, coming to fold all the way in, bending the elbows, lifting the seat high. 5 breaths here. Exhale, 2. Exhale, 3. Keep the legs active, 4. Exhale, 5. And then inhaling, undo the grip of the toes, stepping to your plank pose. Coming through Chaturanga Dandasana, exhale. Inhale to upward facing dog. And exhale back, downward facing dog. Once again, coming forward, right foot and left foot. Bring your ankles to touch. Interlace the fingers, come sit into your chair. Look up at the hands. Create some space between the shoulders and ears. Exhale, 1. Ankles and knees press into each other, 2. 3. 4. And your last breath. Exhale, coming. Step the feet apart, grab onto the big toes, bend your knees. Inhale, rise up halfway. Exhale, fold. Bending the elbows, starting to lift the seat up. Exhale, 2. Exhale, 3. Exhale, 4. And your last breath. Exhaling, undo the grip of the toes. Step back to your plank. And then exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale to your up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog pose. Exhale completely. On the inhale, step to the top of your mat. Inhale, lift and rise. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lifting all the way up and over. And then exhale, hands by the side of the body. And that's the end of the second vinyasa. Let's move to the cool down. To begin the cool down, come lie on your mat and then bring your feet into Sukhasana, crossing at the shins. Take your arms up over the head with a gentle bend in the elbows. Close the eyes and start to breathe here. Breathing to the hips. Breathing to the lower belly and the lower back. Gently changing the cross, bringing the opposite leg forward. Back into your Supta Sukhasana. Gently now, bring the arms by the side of the body and start to extend your legs all the way to the end of your mat for Shavasana, where we will rest for a few minutes. Relax the feet, relax the arms, allow the breath to be free and natural. Coming to the end of a short Shavasana, start to make tiny movements in your fingertips and your toes. Take a deep breath and exhale. Slowly, as you feel ready, roll over to the right side. Keep your eyes closed and then gently come to sit up. Start to rub your palms together, creating some heat between the palms, and then place them on your eyes. Slowly move the palms down and blink your eyes open. Well done. That was the end of your first session. Make sure you get plenty of rest, and I'll see you in the second session.